Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the lowest ping possible. I'm just going to show you guys a couple of the tips that I have done in the past to help me get the best ping possible. Some of them are in game, some of them are out of game. There's a download that I'll put in the description for you to download obviously, and it just helps tweak your internet. And this is the second time I've recorded this. It's like 1 a.m. something, yeah, it's 1:23 a.m. on a school night. So I'm not very excited about this because the first time I recorded, the entire thing was just frozen, and I'm hoping that doesn't happen again because the video was like 15 minutes long. So I'm gonna try and speed things up here. But if this did help you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 10K by the end of the year, and don't ask about my name. Just don't. Okay. So first setting, we're gonna go into settings here, and as you can see, I'm on windowed full screen. I usually play full screen, but this recording would not work. Like it would just keep freezing. Unless I wanted to window full screen. So play on full screen because it gives you the less input delay. I believe it literally says there on the side or something like that. You can read it for yourself right now if you really want to, but full screen gives you the least amount of input delay, and so you're just gonna basically want to go in full screen. As soon as you've done that, apply that. If you haven't already, you should be able to get on it. I don't know why you wouldn't be on it. Next, go to game settings, one over, and whatever server you play on, don't play on auto because sometimes it will redirect you to a different server. Like mine for some reason puts me in Brazil sometimes if I go on auto. So go on to NA East, whatever you play on, NA West, anything that you play on, go on it and hit apply, and you should be good to go. Next, go over to the little person here, little guy sitting there, and basically I don't know why these help, but these have helped a couple people I've heard. Basically go into social privacy and mature language filter, turn that off, and then show text chat, turn that off. You can also turn off show social notifications, but I like to keep that on just to see what someone invites me or anything. So you can turn that off if you really want to, but I've heard this did help because it just used up less something. I don't know, I'm not like that smart when it comes to things. But next setting are going to be outside of game. So basically we're just going to go into something called TCP optimizer. I'm gonna leave the download link while it's loading. I'm gonna leave it in the description. Make sure to download it. It takes 2 seconds. You don't need to do anything. It just installs in your PC, and you should have it. I'm just gonna show you guys the settings that I use personally for myself. So once you have it, set up TCP, and it should show up .exe. Right click, click Run as administrator, and it should open shortly. Probably already has. Yes, it is. Okay. So this is the main screen for TCP optimizer. This will just optimize your internet, so not only are you going to get lower ping, you will also get better internet speeds on your PC itself. So what you're going to do is go to you're just going to go in general settings. You should already be on that. You're going to go to custom in the bottom right. Click on that so you can like change everything. And we're going to start with a connection speed at the very top. Some people say like my internet speed is like around 40 megabytes per second. I'm upgrading it like literally tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, I'm literally upgrading it tomorrow, but put yours on 100 plus megabytes. I feel like that's the best. That's worked for me the best. Next, we're gonna go into network adapter selection. I just have mine on Realtek PCIe. I guess it's really optional for you guys, whatever you guys use. I used to use this little USB adapter, and then I switched to LAN cable a few days ago, and it's worked a lot better. So if you guys have a LAN cable and you guys are using Wi-Fi right now, if you guys can, make sure to use that LAN cable because it will give you so much more stable internet. Like you will not lag anymore, you will have way faster download speeds, just everything about it is just way better. Next we're going to go into down here, modify all network adapters. I just have that checked on. I'm not sure if that does anything. I honestly don't know. Next we're going to go into TCP window auto tuning, turn that to normal, right there. Windows scaling, I don't know. Disabled. Congestion power provider, go to CTCP, receive side scaling. Enabled. R segment, call it enabled. MTU, put that on 0, just type it in there, and then PPPoE, uncheck that, and then time to live TTL 64, ECN, okay, disabled. And then checksum offloading, disabled. TCP chimney offload, disabled as well. And all these are disabled, so large send offload, disabled. TCP 131 or 23 timestamps is disabled. After that, click apply. and this little thing should show up. Just click OK. I'm just gonna exit out of that. You can click OK, and if a little thing shows up like saying you should reboot your computer, plus no, just do it after the video. So don't do that right now. Next, we're gonna go into advanced settings at the very top beside general, and this is where things like you just type in stuff. It's where like all the magic happens, I guess you could say. I don't know. Basically, we're gonna start with Internet Explorer optimization. Max connections per one 0 server 10. Max connections per server 10. Local priority 4. Host priority 5. DNS priority 6. Net BT priority 7. Max SYN retransmissions 2. Non-stack RTT don't know. Disabled. Retransmit timeout underneath this is initial RTO. Put that on 2000, and then min RTO 300. And then we're gonna go back to the top right. Put this on 0, and then QoS do not use NLA optimal 1. And then for this one, gaming tweak, put network throttling index on disabled FFF, and then system responsiveness. Even if you don't like game or anything like that, which I'm not sure why would you be watching this video if you don't play Fortnite or something, put this on gaming. This is the best one. It helps your internet speeds a lot. Go to gaming tweak underneath this. TCP ACK frequency disabled 1. TCP no delay enabled 1. TCP del ACK ticks disabled 0. Memory or not memory. Large system cache default 0. Size default 1, and then max user port 65534. TCP time wait delay is on 30. And click apply on that. Okay, and then a little restart thing should show up again. Just click no, like I said earlier, and you can just exit out of that. And that's that step done. Next thing we're gonna check is for updates on our PC, just to see if anything is there's any bugs in our Windows version. So you're gonna click the Windows Start button, and then click settings, and then go to update security, and it should just open up automatically. This is bugging right there. Okay, so I already have an update ready. I think it just came out like literally now as I'm recording this. So I'm gonna do that after I record this video and after I edit it. But yeah, make sure you guys don't have any updates, because the update you're on could be like, I don't know, bugged or something like that with your internet speeds. So make sure that is all up to date. Just click check for updates if you're not sure how to do that. And if you're check for updates and you have no updates, you're good, but you probably want to do that after this video if you have an update ready. After the next step, we're gonna do another update to see. This is basically just our graphics driver. I don't know why I'm searching graphics. It's GeForce Experience. This is just to check if our graphics card drivers are up to date. Sometimes they could be a little bit buggy and they could slow our PC down. They could slow things down a lot. I know some versions, you can probably search about Google, look at the best versions for like whatever you use. I use GeForce Experience because I have an NVIDIA card. You might use something different. You could search up like the best release version, whatever you call it, just to see if yours isn't working right now. But I literally just updated mine like tonight, so I'm all up to date. But I just included this just because sometimes in especially video ones, there is bugs. So yeah, I just thought I would share this one. So if you are all up to date on that, make sure to close out of that. You can on GeForce, I know for a fact, you can just install this one. You don't have to restart your PC or anything. It's probably recommended, but you can just install it without having to restart your PC. So you can just do that right now if you want to. But I'm just gonna load into creative and show you guys my ping right now. I would probably get around like 10 and under. Right now I get like from like 10 to 30 in creative, or 10 to 25, and then like normal matches I get around like 20 to 35. So it's pretty good because I live in like up in Canada, so it's like not near like the servers as well as I could have been, but like this is like the best I can really get. And my internet is also not the fastest, so it's pretty good for my internet speeds and where I'm located. Alright, so in that clip I was just about to go in creative and show you guys my ping, but the game audio is really loud, so this is the next day. I'm just gonna tell you guys that I was getting around like 10 ping in creative, and if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I can do another video for a network optimization. Sorry if you could hear like the fish tank in the back the entire time. It was really annoying while editing. It's because I haven't filled it up in like a couple weeks, so it's kind of low and you can just hear it. So sorry about that. Next video I will make sure to get rid of that. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Like I said earlier, if this did help, leave a like and subscribe, and we're on the road to 10K. So See you in the next one. Peace out.